Hey beautiful, welcome back to another episode of Lustworthy Makeup Products. If you're new here, this is a series where I talk about makeup that has either just launched or it will be launching. So some new goodies to the makeup world. So if you're a makeup junkie like me, this is the perfect video for you. If you're not subscribed, girl, smash that subscribe button and join the family and give this a thumbs up if you like these videos. And if you see me looking down, I've got my notes here because I don't want to like mess up on any of these details. Okay, so straight off the bat, I really want to get into some of these products. I'm really excited for this latest one. Now this is from Beauty Blender. They have a new foundation that's coming out. This is called the Liquid Whip Long Wear Foundation. It's got 32 shades, which is amazing. It's supposed to have a velveteen matte finish, so not completely matte. All right, so I had to press pause on this real quick because ever since I filmed this, I've actually seen the shade range of this foundation, and suffice to say, I'm not happy about it. Basically there's only like 7 wearable shades for women of color and like 2,500 shades of beige, and 2 of these shades for women of color are orange. I'm very disappointed, but you know what? When it does come out, I'm going to check it out anyway, just to see. There's a little bit of controversy surrounding this product, but I just wanted to let you guys know I know what's going on with this one. All right, so let's get back to the video. But kind of like probably a little bit satiny. I don't exactly know what velveteen is. I mean, I know what it is regularly, but not in the foundation sense, but that's what they say. And it's supposed to be 24-hour wear, which is interesting. So for all my ladies or gentlemen who work long hours, this is hopefully a good one for you. Now the price point is set to $40. I'm not surprised because if you've ever looked at the price of a beauty blender, that's like 20 bucks. So it kind of makes sense to me. I'm hoping that the performance is up to that level because I don't want to pay that price if it's not top notch, you know what I mean? So as far as availability, July 24th is going to be available on the Beauty Blender website. And Sephora, I'm not sure if it's going to be available in Sephora July 24th, but I do know that they have a waiting list, and the waiting list starts July 19th. And this video will probably come out after that, but just to give you a heads up, maybe you might still be able to get on that waiting list because if they put out a waiting list, it's going to be very popular. Now, if you're a fan of the Huda Beauty Foundation or any Huda Beauty products in general, you might like this one. Huda Beauty has a new primer. This is the Matte Perfection Primer. It's supposed to be a lightweight and oil-free, and this is a bit of an interesting thing about this primer. It's 60% water. So this is supposed to help for on-the-spot control of oil, and also is supposed to melt-proof your makeup. And given that I live in a humid environment, that sounds excellent to me. So I'm very, very interested to see, how it performs, if it's just something that's good for her foundation, or if it's going to perform well with other foundations. I don't exactly have a price point right now, but I do know that it will be available July 20th and on the Huda Beauty website, and it says other stores, but like I don't know from the information that I could find, I don't know if it's coming to Sephora or any other like Beautylish or anything like that, but the Huda Beauty website seems like it's going to be the best place to get this. All right, so the next product is from a brand that I really, really, really love, like a lot. CoverFX has a new concealer coming out. This is the Power Play Concealer. The Power Play Concealer comes in 30 shades, which is very exciting. There are 4 undertones, and they come in pink, golden, neutral, and interestingly enough, there's a white concealer. Yes, white. So even my pale honeys, they got some love too. Obviously for white concealers, you can use them to make your eyeshadow more pigmented, or honestly, if you are that fair, then you can use it as a regular concealer. So I think that's really cool. They thought about that, you know what I mean? Now, interestingly enough, if you look at this picture right here, you'll see the applicator is very different. It's a ball shape. Now, apparently they did this because it's going to be easy to spot conceal. I'd be very interested to play around with it and see how that performs, whether it's easy to spread, all that jazz. Now, as far as the concealer coverage is supposed to be buildable, high coverage, and it's supposed to be crease proof, which is amazing. And it also has some pollution defense ingredients. I don't know what those are, but I'm really interested to see how they are or how they work when it comes out. As far as availability, I believe the end of July and early August is when it's supposed to come out. And luckily enough, if you have a Sephora close to you, then that's great because that's exactly where they'll be. And of course, I'm sure the CoverFX website. Now, for all my drugstore divas, I've got something great for you. So Wet n Wild Beauty has a Zodiac collection that they're coming out, and the prices, honey, the prices look just right. Now, here's what's in the collection. There's 4 Mega Glow highlight bars, as you can see right here, and those are supposed to be $6.93 each, and the names are Air, Fire, Earth, and Water, which is really cool. Now, we also have 4 eyeshadow palettes. They're going to be $4.69 each, and they do look beautiful. I'm just hoping that that pigmentation is there. It is cheaper, so maybe that doesn't matter so much, but I'm just gonna hope. Now, they also have 12 glosses coming out in various different finishes, and each of these glosses are named after a sign from the Zodiac. So, you've got like Aries, Gemini, Scorpio, Virgo, Leo, all that. Now, the last product from this collection is called the Mega Glow Loose Highlighting Powder. It's $6.93. Honestly, taking a look at this picture, it's not really going to work on deeper skin tones. Probably for somebody who is pale and fair, that kind of end of the spectrum, it will look stunning on you. But, I was kind of like sad. I was like, man, that would have been really, really nice if they had something else that was a loose highlighting powder as well in a different shade. I'm a little bit surprised, but you know what? There are those highlighting bars, so it's okay. I'll let that slide. Wet n Wild. Now, if you like liquid lipsticks, this one is for you. Now, BH Cosmetics is coming out with a liquid linen line, and these are 10 liquid lipsticks. The price is awesome. They're $7 each, and they're just named after like regular, like feminine names. I love it. I think that is really cool. As far as it launching, as of the date of this video, they're already out. They came out July 18th. Now, the formula is supposed to be a matte finish. It's supposed to dry completely, and it's supposed to be long wearing. So I don't know, for me, I love the sound of liquid lipsticks. I always have, but me, my dry, crusty lip self, it just never works out, and I never reach for them because I don't feel like they look that great on me. But I know a lot of you guys love liquid lipsticks, so please get them, try them, let me know if you like them. Okay, so the last one I want to talk about is something that's like very near and dear to my heart. Well, Alyssa Ashley is a very well-known YouTuber, and I just love her. I've been watching her since she was at 50K subscribers, and she's over 1 million now, so I'm just like so proud of her. But she is collabing with NYX Cosmetics, so they have a new foundation that's coming out. It's called the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. Now, she collabed with NYX to extend their shade range, and let me tell you, they are coming out with 45 shades, not 40. 45, okay? They just like have to top Fenty. Now, the foundation is supposed to be a full coverage matte foundation, which I love. And there's also supposed to be a new primer coming out that goes with it or pairs with it well, which I really want to try. That sounds really interesting to me. And it's going to be available on the NYX website August 16th and also ultabeauty.com. I don't have a date as far as when they're going to be in stores, unfortunately. And that's the best way I like to try on foundations. I like to just look at them in the store and just, look at those testers, especially because Ulta has testers. So we'll see. I'll just have to see what some people that are close to me are wearing and kind of like make my guess, you know what I mean? I'm sure it's going to be awesome. Alyssa Ashley, she's all about that quality life. She just produces the best content, so I can only imagine when she was working with NYX, she probably really wanted to make sure she got it right. So I would love to hear what you're excited for, what makeup products you want to try that are coming out. Definitely let me know down in the comments. Now, if you haven't seen my other videos from the Lustworthy Makeup series, please check them out right next to me. There are some really bomb videos in there. Yeah, so just check it out. And if you're still here and you haven't subscribed, girl, smash that subscribe button, join the family. As always, you guys know I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.